Today I am going to show you all how to make very delicious, very tasty and very healthy stuffed methi parathas, which is known as stuffed fenugreek parathas. So here please note down the ingredients. For this I have taken one small bunch of fenugreek leaves, fresh fenugreek that I have cleaned, washed and then chopped in my food processor. See here, you can see how finely this is chopped. I have not grinded it, I have only chopped it. If you don't have food processors, no need to worry, you can chop it finely with hands. So here, one small bunch of fenugreek that is chopped. Then here I have 2 cups of whole wheat flour, simple atta. Then here we need milk. I am going to knead this flour with milk. If you want, you can also knead it with oil. There is no hard and fast rule. But with milk, it becomes very tasty and very soft parathas you'll get. So here I have 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of carom seeds. This is ajwain. Some grated ginger. 2 green chilies very finely chopped. But this is again optional. If you want to avoid chilies, you can avoid them. Then salt, red chili powder, coriander powder. And for the stuffing here, I have taken boiled potatoes, small 4 to 5 boiled potatoes and 2 chopped onions. If you want, you can change the stuffing. You can add anything. You can also add fresh cottage cheese or paneer in place of these potatoes. So now, first of all, I'm going to knead this whole wheat flour, spinach with milk, and I'll show you. We'll take this whole wheat flour, atta, and to this I'm going to add this chopped fenugreek. See, first we will knead this only with fenugreek because this fenugreek also has a lot of moisture in this. So first we'll knead it and then as required we will add milk or water, whatever you're using. This first I'm going to add salt here, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of salt according to your quantity of flour and fenugreek. You'll have to adjust salt. Now the carom seeds, ajwain. Since I'm also going to add green chilies to the mixture, so I'm going to put little 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now this I'm going to knead with this milk, but don't put all the milk together at once. Just add little first and then as required keep adding milk and we will knead this flour nicely. So here friends, see, I've kneaded the dough, how nice it is looking, green in color, and this much milk is left. So please don't add all at once, just pour little milk, knead it, and then you'll come to know how much is required. Now I'm going to cover it with a wet cloth and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, here I have mashed these potatoes, and now to this I'm going to add salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder as per your taste, because here I'm also going to add green chilies. Then ginger, and now also these chopped onions. So now I'm going to mix all this nicely and our mixture for the stuffing will be ready. Now I'll show you how to make our stuffed parathas. See here, we'll take 2 balls, small portions of methi dough, fenugreek dough. See, if you want, you can also fill the stuffing in one ball, but here I am going to fill it in 2. So roll it, put little flour and then roll it into equal size rotis. Now on one roti we'll put the filling. spread it, just leaving little space from the outer edges so that we can seal the other one nicely. See, now here you can pick it up and you have to seal it like this so that when you roll it out, the mixture does not come out from the roti. So here like this we have sealed the edges. Slightly press it again. See, filling, how much filling you want to put depends on your taste. Some people like to add more filling, some people put less filling, but I have put the maximum amount that can be put in this roti. So here very lightly we will roll this. So here, see, our stuffed paratha is ready. Now I'll show you how to make one in single ball. See, you can take the same amount of dough that you had taken for that roti, 2 small portions we had taken. So this we need to take bigger one. We'll roll it a little bit. And now we pick it up like this and put little mixture in the center of this roti. Here. Now pressing the mixture towards downwards and bringing this dough together upwards. See, pull it with thumb downwards and bring it up with the fingers. See, it comes like this. And now here we will join it. So here, see, this is ready. Now in the same way we will roll this one also. So whichever way you find easier. So here friends, accordingly as many rotis as you want you can prepare. If you find a single ball roti easier, make this. Otherwise in 2 balls it is very easy for the beginners. So now I've heated my tawa on the gas. I'm going to show you how to make the paratha, stuffed methi paratha. My griddle is hot, tawa is hot. I'm going to put this paratha on this. Now it will just take approximately a minute to get cooked on one side, and then we will flip it over. So you can see you've got the color here. Now we turn it and we let it cook for a minute or 2 on the other side. Just another few seconds. Here you can see all these brown color florets, small flowers. Now I'm going to put little oil on this, and again we will flip over the roti, and now just press it slightly, and again once, like, see how nice, what nice color we've got. See, just keep pressing it slightly so that it gets evenly cooked from all the sides. So now again for a minute or so. Now this is ready, and here I'm going to take it out like this. See, you saw how easy, how simple it was to make this stuffed fenugreek paratha, stuffed methi paratha. Here this is ready. I have put some butter on it. Whatever according to your taste, you can eat it with pickle, with butter. Here we have curd. So hope you will all try out this recipe at home. It is very simple, very easy and very delicious. You can also make the dough and keep it in your fridge in advance. Whenever, as per your requirement, you can take it out and make the parathas. So do try this recipe at home and enjoy these delicious stuffed methi parathas. Thank you.